Or so, Orishim's main function within the universe is to aid in the birth of new celestial beings that will in turn bring about more life to the universe. Known as an endless cycle of destruction and creation, according to Orishim, without the celestials completing
Sige,
this
Bang
process,
Chan, play.
the entire universe would be
Ang
plunged into
galing!
darkness.
Very good naman.
Orishim's desire to assist young species in their evolution was done in order to aid each world in a
Yan.
process known
Oh,
as
galing
the
naman kanya. Ang
emergence.
galing.
Every million years, new celestials must be born. To that end, Orishim would plant a celestial seed of life within a planet. In Earth's
Go na,
case,
go na.
it is the celestial
Go na
seed.
doon! Bang
In
Chan!
order to grow, a celestial
Bang Chan!
will be born in the core of the planet, feeding off the energy. A race of beings designed to help kill off predatory species while thriving young worlds to
Come na.
allow life to better evolve. However, as time progressed, the deviants
Play the
became
ball,
the
yan.
predators themselves and
Oh,
forced
wag
Orishim
may
to create
pasok
another
sa
race of
butas.
beings to eradicate
Dito na.
the Eternals. The Eternals
Yan.
were a race of synthetic
Galing,
beings whose main
very
function was to
good.
protect life from the deviants and assist in the development of early young species. The full scope of a Celestial's abilities are not known yet. However, we have seen a staggeringly powerful array of abilities that
Natumba.
can happen.
Natumba yung walis.
Cosmic energy to give birth to life and create
Oh,
matter.
oh, ang galing
We've seen
nila. Sige.
celestials create stars and free
Ena.
galaxies alone within the void of outer space. It's unknown if this is how he originated from his during his vast age compared to other celestials. He may have been the byproduct of experimentation on how to create new celestial life before Orishim landed on his current methodology. Or Ego could be the same age as Orishim and they both came into existence around the
Hawakan
same
niya yung
time.
ball.
It's
Ayun.
unknown. After
Ayun,
Earth could leave his planet and go out further into the cosmos to search for life. This avatar needed to come back to Ego's host planet
Ayan
periodically
guys,
to
nasa
recharge
ilalim siya.
himself with
Ay,
the worlds with
yun.
sentient life, thereby terraforming these planets into extensions of himself. However, Ego wasn't strong enough to do this alone. and he needed the
4
power of
months pa
another
lang siya,
celestial to
guys.
complete the expansion.
October 1
He
siya.
tried unsuccessfully to make
Ayan.
the various beings across the
Napagod na
galaxy
siya,
into
guys.
a
Humiga na sa
celestial
basahan.
life, and eventually
Hi! Hi, Bang Chan!
Peter Quill had the
Bang Ching Ching Ching
necessary
Ching!
traits to assist with the expansion.
Sobrang bait yan at malambing. Nangayayan siya guys kasi nagtais siya. Pero okay na. Tsaka nagsusuka. Hindi ko pa siya guys na napapainom ng pampurga eh. Hi, say hi. Kasi 4 months pa lang, nangihina pa. Konti na. Pag malakas na siya guys, saka konti purga tsaka vitamins. And love mommy. Love mo. Hi! Good evening guys. Sabi mo, subscribe my channel. Sabi mo, ha? Dali. Like and share. Bye na, bye na. Hi, bye guys. Dali. Bye guys. Sinusundan niya ako.